Hello, I am Vivek Parmar and I am a student of Ajinkya DY Patil pursuing my degree in BTech CTIS final year. Today I am going to present my internship review on image technography. Before I start explaining my projects, let me give you a brief idea about the company where I am doing my internship. So currently I am working at Eplom Technology, which has been established in 1999 with aim of providing best solution in broadcasting industry. We provide complete solution for different kind of broadcast software based on movie, music, news, games or anything based channel. Eplon playout software designed with latest technological tools. We thought of upcoming technological trends so solution last for long duration without any heavy or compulsory update.
Let's talk about steganography. Well, what is steganography? Steganography is the study and practice of concealing information within objects in such a way that it deceives the viewer as if there is no information hidden within the object. Simply put, it is hiding information in plain sight such that only the intended recipient would get to see it. So how is this different from cryptography? Well, it may immediately occur to us that this is similar to cryptography, but no, this is not the case. In cryptography, the objective is to modify the original message in such a fashion it becomes difficult to get to the original message from the modified message. The original and modified messages are explicitly expected to look different, while in image technography, the objective is to deceptively hide a message within the original message and thereby modifying it. The modified message is expected to look very similar to the original message. So how does this work? Well, first of all, there is a first use of encoding algorithm. Firstly, the secret message that is extracted. Well, how does this work? Firstly, the secret message that is extracted is compressed as the contents in the compressed string will significantly hard to detect and read. Furthermore, it reduces the size of string. Secondly, the compressed string is encrypted with the secret key. Finally, encoding the encrypted message, the image. It uses LSB steganographic embedding. So what is LSB? What is LSB embedding? Well, LSB is the lowest significant bit in the byte value of the image pixel. The LSB-based image technography embeds the secret in the last significant bits of pixel values of the cover image. The concept of LSB embedding is simple. It exploits the fact that the level of precision in many image formats is far greater than the perceivable by average human vision. Therefore, an altered image with slight variation in its color will be indistinguishable from the original by a human being just by looking at it. So the data flow diagram of my project. First of all, there will be a start application where there will be asked two options whether to encrypt or decrypt. First, whenever encryption is asked, there will be you need to choose one image. In there you need to write a message, and there will be given a one secret key. That same key will be used in the decryption to get the original message. So some features of image technography. Well, it hide and retrieve features of image technography. Well, it hide and retrieve files within a PNG, JPG, or GIF image. Enhance security for the hidden file with password-enabled encryption. Extractor function included. Easy encoding and retrieval with two intuitive and easy to use online interface. Now let's and the secret key will be 123. Now we have encoding and saving the image. Now for to decode the message, we will use the same process. We will choose image which has been now encoded. So now as we are putting 123 secret key, the message is showing hi there. So this is the demonstration.
Well, here I will demonstrate the application of steganography. First of all, you need to encode one image. You will choose the image. So here there is one image, we will put there. So this is one image has been selected. Now we'll type the message hi there, and the secret key will be 123. Now we have encoding and saving the image. Now for to decode the message, we will use the same process. We will choose image which has been now encoded. So now as we are putting 123 secret key, the message is showing hi there. So this is the demonstration. This was the brief about my project. Working with this company, I have also learned how to work with clients, doing marketing strategies, creating technical documents, how to use metadata for the website, and working on different type of projects. To conclude, I would like to thank Ajinkya D.Y. Patil University, from whom I get to introduce to Aplom technology and also providing students with internship and project as part of our final semester. The internship has helped gain me a lot of knowledge and also helped me with the connect with the students as learn in college.